Every security team I work with at Oracle, at Elevance, and at Anthem is droning with the same problem. Thousands of vulnerabilities, dozens of tools. And at the end of the day, the analyst still has to guess what to patch first. The guess is costing regulated environments or organization millions. And when the auditor shows up, nobody can prove what got fixed or why. We built Yottasecure to end the guessing and to generate the proof. The problem, as you see, I've seen this firsthand in healthcare and regulated environments. Vulnerability management is broken in three specific ways. First, scanners produce raw CVE lists with no business context. Second, teams have no way to know which vulnerabilities are actually being exploited against networks like theirs. Third, when audit time comes, security teams are scrambling to manually assemble evidence from spreadsheets, tickets, and screenshots. Critical exposure gets buried under noise. Remediation stalls, and regulated teams face the burden of fixing risk and providing and proving they fixed it. The market opportunity is huge. This is not a niche problem, and especially the global vulnerability management market is valued at close to 18 billion by 2026 and growing to 35 billion by 2035. And healthcare alone represents close to 3 billion of that market today and is growing at 8% annually, faster than any other vertical. Regulatory mandates, HIPAA, SOC 2, NIST, FedRAMP have forced 68% of organizations globally to adopt continuous vulnerability management. The market is there. What's missing is a platform built specifically for regulated teams. The solution Yottasecure provides is a contextual vulnerability intelligence platform purpose-built for regulated security teams, trained on attack data specific to your network, not generic threat feeds, to continuously reprioritize vulnerabilities as the threat landscape shifts. Comprehensive asset mapping, real-time anomaly detection, identity management for cloud, and automated compliance evidence generation, all in one platform. Instead of 5,000 CVEs and manual audit nightmare, your team gets here are the three things that matter today. Here is why, and here is the evidence your auditor needs. Let me show you this in action where our platform uh, will be showing a real environment. Yottasecure has ingested scan data, and from the scan data, we can prompt what compliance controls are impacted by these vulnerabilities. And we can see here that there's a context graph which gets created and which identifies the total vulnerabilities and how does that impact the customer's environment and the application. Specifically in healthcare, we see that there's a critical security management process, reasoning chain, and so on and so forth. So this platform can be used to also identify not only from the uploaded packages, but they can upload documents and then identify from these documents what's the business context. So instead of noise, the security teams see a ranked, contextualized list. Each finding shows what's exposed, whether it's actively exploited in the wild, and what's the blast radius for the specific network. And because it's conversational, an analyst can simply ask, what is my highest HIPAA related exposure in my AWS environment, and get a plain language answer with the remediation steps. And critically, every action, every prioritization decision, every remediation step is automatically captured as a audit ready evidence. No more manual assembly before an audit. Why we win is essentially Tenable and competitors like Tenable and Qualys give you a snapshot. Armor Code aggregates findings, and our labs handle dependencies. Whereas none of them automatically generate compliance evidence for regulated audit. And we are already delivering SOC 2 compliance for our customers like Tableau, Legal Connection, and a contract is in progress with HIPAA compliance for AI agents in clinical settings. I'm Sunil Ravipati, CEO and co-founder of Yottasecure, 15 years of Oracle Cloud Security Analytics and Healthcare leadership. Our CTO, Yash Kama, architected our platform with deep expertise. We have advisors from various backgrounds, such as AI, healthcare, and we look forward to make sure the regulated environments are secure. Thank you.